Female accountant Clerk gone missing in Portmore, St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 39-year-old Natecia Gordon, an accountant clerk of Westmead Willows, Bridgeport, St. Catherine, has been missing since Saturday, June 26. She is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Bridgeport police are that she was last seen about 10 a.m. on Saturday. Her mode of dress at the time she went missing is unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Natecia Gordon has been asked to contact the Bridgeport Police at 876-988-2697, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.